Bradley Cooper's latest film, Maestro, received an extended ovation at its world premiere during the Venice Film Festival. This momentous occasion comes 5 years after the triumphant debut of Cooper's acclaimed film, A Star is Born, at the same prestigious festival. However, this time, Cooper was absent from the event as both the director and star of Maestro. The audience at the Venice Film Festival eagerly anticipated the screening of Maestro, and the film did not disappoint. As the credits rolled, the spectators erupted into an extended ovation, showing their appreciation for the remarkable creation. The film, which revolves around the world of music, struck a chord with the audience, drawing them into the immersive story. Cooper's previous film, A Star is Born, garnered critical acclaim and captivated audiences worldwide. Its Venice Film Festival premiere propelled it to immense success, ultimately earning Cooper several prestigious awards and nominations. Therefore, the unveiling of his new project, Maestro, was highly anticipated by critics and film enthusiasts alike. However, despite being unable to physically attend the premiere, Cooper's presence was still felt. His vision and dedication were evident throughout the film, which showcases his talent as a director. Maestro is a testament to Cooper's ability to craft compelling narratives and resonating performances through his keen artistic sensibilities. Maestro explores the music industry's eccentricities, intertwining themes of passion, ambition, and the desire for creative expression. With a solid ensemble cast, the film delves deep into the complex lives of its characters, bringing their stories to life with emotional depth and authenticity. While the absence of Bradley Cooper at the world premiere of Maestro may have disappointed some, his previous achievements and reputation as a talented filmmaker only heightened the anticipation for the film. The extended ovation following its unveiling showcased the audience's appreciation for Cooper's work and the impact he has made on the world of cinema. As Maestro continues its journey through the film festival circuit and eventual wide release, audiences around the globe will have the opportunity to witness the brilliance of Bradley Cooper's latest directorial endeavor.